So guys, in today's video I just want to show you on how you can use Forex Factory to predict your news event. Okay, so you come to your browser, you search Forex Factory, you will find this amazing website, that's forexfactory.com. okay, this is where we use to analyze our news event. The Forex Factory, you can see Forex Factory, you have the calendar, have the news, and so on. So you come into your browser and you search Forex Factory. This is the website that uses to predict the Forex news event. It actually has all the news event, the NFP, CPI, and all those. If we click to the Forex, that link, it will bring us into this page whereby we'll find all the upcoming news event and all the pairs. As you can see, the Euro, USD, JPY, those are the pairs that dominate the most in this news event. Okay, so we have all the news event that are in this pair. Okay, the USD news, the card news, okay, those CPI, NFP, and all those news are being shown on in the Forex Factory. The first thing you will do after coming here, we will come to into join side. As you can see, you join. If you are a new member, you join. For me, I won't join because I already have an account in my phone, so I will just show you on how you do it. Of course, you'll insert your username, email, and your password, and where you come from. If you come from Kenya, you just say you come from Kenya and you agree with term and conditions. Okay, so for me, I won't join because I already have an account, so I will cancel and go back and show you the basics simply on how you can predict your news and how you can use your Forex Factory to see the upcoming news event. Okay, so when you come here, you can see the red ones and the yellow ones, the small yellow. In this Forex Factory, you can go and see the upcoming news, even tomorrow's news. You can also see them. You have today's news, tomorrow's news. You can just press those and see the news that are coming. Of course, the red ones indicate the high impact news, the yellow one the middle impact news, and as it goes depending on the color. Okay, the red ones, that are the one which are have high impact news, and they are the one that you should consider when you are looking for your news. Of course, this is today. We had this CPI news, high impact news. We had today very high impact news, CPI news, and we're expecting FOMC meeting release at 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. in PM, we are expecting a FOMC release. That's a high impact. Of course, you can go to tomorrow. I just press here, go to tomorrow. I can see 23rd. Tomorrow we have this not low impact, middle impact. That red one is a high impact news. Of course, tomorrow we have high impact news are being expected tomorrow. Okay, we're expecting unemployment rate tomorrow to be released. Okay, so tomorrow we have a very high impact news. Okay, so those are the news that will be released tomorrow. Of course, we will consider those red ones unemployment claim. That will be a high impact news. They normally happen at 3:30 p.m. We have NFP, CPI, FOMC, and unemployment rate. Those are the news that you should put in place when you are a trader, a forex trader. Okay, so that's how you look at it. Of course, you can go up to 24th and see the upcoming news up to 24th May. We also have those news. Okay, you can also adjust your time based on your locality. If you are in Kenya, you can use East African time. For me, I have it GMT, East African time, +03 Nairobi. Of course, you can change your time based on your locality. If you are in London, you can change, you can come here and adjust your time based on the place that you are. Okay, you just press there, and of course Netherlands, Caracas, that those places you just change based on your city place. You just change GMT plus 07, you just change. Okay, for me I'm in Nairobi, GMT plus 03. Okay, that's East African time. So of course we also have filter, where you can filter your news event depending on what you want to see. If you want to see middle impact news or high impact news, you just press that. You can see the red one is a high impact news expected. Okay, the following one is that's high impact news expected, the red one. And if we continue going, you can see the other one is this one is a medium impact news expected, and the other one is lower impact expected news, and followed by the low non-economic impact. Okay, so you can filter this news depending on what you want to see on your chart, on your website, on this website. If we filter it, you can also, if you want to see the red one also, only the high impact, you just press those other low impact news and you just apply filter. If you when you apply filter, the red ones only, that are the one that will be dominated on your website. Okay, on the charts here. Okay, that are the only ones which you will see. Of course, if you go to tomorrow, you can see they are the only one which have been dominated on your screen. So you will only consider those high impact news. Of course, for me, I just want to see all of them because they have small impact. Okay, just apply. As you can see, I have applied and it came back. Okay, they have all came back in. That's how my charts look. Okay, so that's how you can use this to predict your news. And that's about the video. Make sure you subscribe the channel. Okay, so